My goal is to do more with less. Something you probably heard already over the last few years. But today, with all these emerging AI tools, I think this goal is more tangible than ever. Use AI as a multiplier in marketing and ask yourself these three questions. Question 1. Why using generative AI? Imagine having a tool that knows your audience better than they know themselves. That's generative AI for you. It processes data fast. It spots trends and preferences, enabling you to craft strategies that resonate with your audience's needs and desires. Question 2. What can I do with AI? Increase your efficiency from launching new products, writing blog posts, or creating landing pages, etc. AI is your silent partner in pushing the boundaries of what's possible in terms of productivity and creativity. Question 3. How to start? The journey begins by integrating AI into your media platforms. This means using AI-driven analytics for sharper targeting and enhanced ad performance. Gradually, you infuse AI into your marketing operations, witnessing a notable uplift in efficiency and effectiveness. In conclusion, AI isn't an option, it becomes a fundamental pillar for the future of marketing. Start today and be a part of this transformative journey. But remember, as long as the Matterhorn stands, everything is going to be all right.